Goggles.
Might want to count off.
Okay. You ready? 1, 2, 3, go! You can do it, Ari. I'm right here. I catch you. I swear I would. I won't let you drown, okay?
Got the movie going.
1, 2, 3, jump! You did it!
He came right back up.
Now swim to the side.
Exactly what he did.
You did it! Good job, Aria.
That's enough. That's going to cost me $100. I see it coming.
Good job, Aria.
You want to do it again? Don't fall. Careful, sweetie. Now this time, see if you can do it yourself, but I'll still be here, okay? You want to grab me, all right? Put your feet on the end of the board.
Always on the end. You don't hit the board.
1, 2, 3, go. Now swim to the side.
Head up. Take a breath if you need it.